Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We haven't done one in a long time. So this is going to be for the Galaxy Tab S4. This is a brand new tablet that just came out from Samsung. And quite honestly, I feel that it's a bit overpriced for what you're getting, but we're gonna test it out and really put it through its paces. For me, I had to get the Tab S4 because I love the better aspect ratio of 16:10 compared to the older one, which was 4:3. So that alone was worth it for me to upgrade. Plus, I do like the faster specs, although it really needed 6 gigs of RAM. So Samsung, hopefully you're gonna learn from that next year. But other than that, it does of course have the S Pen, it does have the DeX built in. 64 gigs of storage is the one I got. I really just didn't want to pay any more for more storage, especially because I have a 256 gig SD card, so I think that should be fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at inside. So here we have it, the Galaxy Tab S4, and yes. So yes, you do have, of course, DeX built into the tablet as well as screen off memo. There is a new S Pen, which I definitely want to take a look at that. I'm also annoyed that Samsung currently only has their regular keyboard case instead of, wow, it's really light, instead of the actual regular case for it. So you can currently only get the regular keyboard case on their website. The regular case isn't available yet. But right off the bat, this does feel really nice and premium. Yeah, so it really feels good in the hand. Very nice and premium, lightweight. It feels kind of like, you know, a big Galaxy S9 kind of style. You have the Type-C connection on the bottom right here. You also have the headphone jack, and you have the quad AKG speakers, so 2 on each side. Power and volume rocker, SD card slot, and my guess is that's where the SIM card slot would be if you got the LTE version. And here's a little pogo pin area for you to actually connect it onto their keyboard case or their new charging station. I don't understand why that charging station didn't have an HDMI out. I thought that would have made a lot more sense, but for some reason it didn't. So let's go ahead. This back is really nice. Very much. It feels better than the other one. Still as much of a fingerprint magnet though as ever, as you can see. So very fingerprint magnety. Okay, S Pen, extremely light. What is this for? Is that like a battery? I don't know. So you have the S Pen here. You have the one button. Good in the hand though. It is longer, I feel like, than my last S Pen for my Tab S3. Good in the hand, really, I like it. I do wish it had a clip though. I think that's a better overall, but overall, I like the feeling of the S Pen. Again, both really light. I don't know. I feel like the last S Pen was heavier. I'm not sure of that off the top of my head, but it feels a lot lighter. Yeah, of course, the Type-C charger, and then you have all of the intro stuff, and you have the SIM card removal, or in this case, SD card removal on the back. And then you also have the tips for the S Pen if you ever need to change that out, and the tool to do so. So yeah, guys, this is the Tab S4. Let me know what videos do you really want to see on this one. Again, this was perfect for me because I really do, the main time, oh that's right, you don't have the home button anymore. The main time I really use a tablet is on an airplane or to play games or to watch movies. So as a media consumption device, this is perfect for me. The battery will last longer than pretty much anything else. For a tablet wise, with an AMOLED display and with 2K resolution, there isn't really, I would say, a better one for a media consumption device. Just the price is pretty high for just being a media consumption device. They want it to be productivity, but I don't know. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I definitely did a video on why the Surface Go wasn't worth it, and we'll see if I end up doing one on this one as well. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.